Amazing Pleasanton Home Renovations, construction remodeling in Bay Area. Pleasanton residents, you need to look no further than construction remodeling in the Bay Area if you want to renovate your house. We can assist you in enhancing your house and impressing your neighbors. Homeowners in Pleasanton are becoming more enthusiastic and interested in remodeling their properties. Pleasanton homeowners prioritize home renovations when the pandemic first appears. Home remodeling is now much easier in Pleasanton. You don't have to drive all the way through Hayward to reach the best contractor in California. We'll come to you and provide a free estimate. For homeowners, home renovations are a major source of stress. You should manage designs and research extremely cheap materials. Yes, it's cost-effective, but you have no idea whether or not the quality is good. Home renovations will take up all of your free time. Renovation work to your home can be stressful, especially if you're balancing work and family responsibilities at the same time. That is why we are here. Remodeling construction in the Bay Area will manage the overall project and carry all the burdens. We will take care of everything, from the cluttered state of the specific area you want to renovate to its completion. We know where to get materials that are both affordable and of high quality. We regularly conduct business at every store in the Bay Area and are familiar with all of them. You can unwind and take care of your daily responsibilities while we remodel. We are based in Hayward but serve the entire Bay Area, so wherever you live, we can assist you in turning your house into a place you love. If you're considering remodeling your home but are concerned about the cost, don't hesitate. We've got you. We can discuss your ideal home within your price range while drinking coffee. We can build your ideal home without going over your budget. Your neighbor will be extremely jealous of your new house, I can assure you of that. Only put your trust in a trusted and reliable contractor. When it comes to the price, we are completely open and honest. We're here to support you in achieving your goal. To learn more about us, I love to invite you to check out our website. Check out our Google reviews to see how satisfied our customers are with our work. Renovating homes in Pleasanton is now easy, stress-free, and affordable. We'll make it simple and affordable. We'll make the impossible possible. Thanks for watching.